Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and I have an amazing unboxing for you today. This one's going to blow your mind as it did mine. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, if you like unboxings, give this video a thumbs up. That helps us share the good news with everybody. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this. But before I do, I have to share what is totally blowing my mind about this Artza box this month. The reason why it's blowing my mind is that the box theme for this quarter is actually Genesis, and our momentum theme this month is also Genesis. I am so blown away by this, you guys. This is totally when God just kind of winks at you sometimes and you're like, oh my gosh, that is so cool. I cannot believe that the box that showed up on my door this month matches the momentum membership release this month. I am so just tickled about it. So I can't wait to open it. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, I did want to let you know I did not receive one in for Christmas, so it's been a while since I have shown an Artza box. It's been a few months, so I'm super excited that it showed up at my house, and I reached out to Artza and thanked them for sending it to me, because these really do just make me smile. So I am so excited about this. If you are interested in Artza or even in our Momentum program, check out the links in the description. I will leave them there, and you can get a special discount if you use our coupon code for any of the Artza boxes. You guys, these are my favorite. I'm so excited. So this is the new format they released last year that has like a little booklet that comes with it. So this one says the Holy Land delivered, and we are exploring Genesis. Oh my goodness. I just love that they use trees in their graphics, and then we use trees in ours kind of to represent it too. It's just so cool. I'm so happy. So we have our table of contents. We have welcome, locations, box overview, artisan stories, Hebrew learning, and the recipe. So you can just open up the booklet. You can see a little bit about what's going on, and then we talk a little bit about different areas in the box and different areas, and then just some Hebrew learning for you. So this one says, did you know that Tu B'Shvat, often called the Jewish New Year for trees, is a celebration deeply tied to the story of creation in Genesis. And then it just kind of talks a little bit more about that. You get to really experience the Holy Land from your home, and that just makes me smile. I really do enjoy this. I mean, it is my lifelong dream to eventually go to Israel, but right now is not the best time to go. So it says what's included in your Genesis box. You get the journal, some chocolate, some toppings, some peanut. Ooh, this is like a yummy box. You get paper artwork, you get a serving tray, and you get a creation candle holder. So let's check those out. All right, so let's go ahead and so I'll open them up just like we normally do, and then I will just share with you my experiences. Okay, so let's open up the first one here. So this one is milk chocolate treats. These are De Carina chocolates, and 3 generations it says. Let's see. Here we are. These are hazelnuts coated in dark chocolate. And here's the information on Karina's story. So you get to learn all about her as you support a small business who really needs it right now, and also taste something really delicious from Israel. All right. Usually chocolate will just be melted by the time it gets to me in Arizona. So this is likely going to be somewhat melted, but we'll just see. Yeah, it does feel like it's a little bit melted, but I'll break off a piece. All right, let's try it. Oh, this one's fine. It's just slightly melted. That's okay. All right, let's try this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That is good. Of course, I love chocolate. Anything chocolate's great for me. All right. So that's this one. That's the first one you get with your box. The next thing is mixture for Challah coating. And I might be saying that wrong. It might be, I'm calling it Challah, but it might be Chaya. So it is a bread topping seasoning that you can sprinkle over freshly baked loaf of challah, which is a bread. It looks like here's a picture of some bread. So imagine you sprinkle on top of this. That sounds like fun. I wonder what the recipe is. Let's just double check it. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. You get the recipe for the challah bread. So this will be fun. I wonder if I'll have any time to make this. I would love to do that. I can't wait to see. This looks so good. Okay, but let's just check it out. And I'll just share it with you. Look at this seasoning. The thing about your Artza box is you get to smell and taste and feel and just experience Israel. Oh, that smells really good. What's in here? Let's see. Brown sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, fried garlic. I can smell the garlic. Fried onion, dried rosemary leaves. I totally smell the rosemary. Thyme, hyssop leaves, black cumin, flax seeds, dry oregano. I definitely smell the oregano. And dehydrated garlic savory. Let's put some of this in our mouth and try it. Oh yeah. That's going to be delicious on bread. I'm just going to eat it. A lot of flavors in my mouth right now. But that is going to be an amazing seasoning on bread. I cannot wait to try it. Okay. Let's keep going. And let me know which one is your favorite whenever we're done. I really would love to know. Okay, so this is halva-coated peanuts. See if there's an artisan with this one. No, but here's the section on the Hebrew learning that you can learn the English, the transliteration, and then the Hebrew. And then you can practice your Hebrew writing, which is so super fun. They really have done an amazing job with their box. I can tell you what, this is my favorite box. Most of you guys who have been on my channel know it's my favorite box. So when I get one, I'm so super excited. All right, let's try these peanuts. Oh, wow. This one might be my favorite. Oh, this is good. Much better. Like I was thinking, you know, I've had a butter toffee peanut before. This is nowhere. This is much better. I could probably eat this whole bag. How much is the whole bag? Don't eat the whole bag. Oh my goodness. So it's the serving. There's 3 servings per package. And the amount per serving is 170 calories. It only includes, so it's 12 grams of carbohydrate, of which only 5 of them are sugars. So I'm going to have one more. These are so delicious. I know my kids are going to be like eating these up tonight. Oh yeah. So this one has halva, which is sesame seed paste, sugar, glucose syrup, water, saponaria root, stabilizer, acidity regulator, peeled peanuts, sugar, and water. Contains sesame and peanuts. One more, and then we're done. Okay. I'll save some for someone else. Okay. Next. What is this? What is this? It said God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. Genesis 1:4. It's a hand-painted candle holder set. And it says, this beautiful hand-painted candle holder is designed with space for 2 candles and celebrates the theme of creation. Its floral pattern is inspired by the vibrant flowers of Israel, reflecting the natural beauty of the land where the story of the Bible unfolded. The verse from Genesis encircles the holder, a reminder of God's first act of creation, bringing the light into the world. The detailed craftsmanship highlights the beauty of light and nature inspired by the story of creation. Perfect as a meaningful addition to your home, this candle holder invites warmth, reflection, and a touch of artistry throughout the year. And then it tells you a little bit about the creator. who lives in Jerusalem. So that is very beautiful. He even signed it here. You can see his signature, Emmanuel. Very, very beautiful. I love it. It's not plastic. It's like metal. But then it's got some kind of epoxy on it. Some kind of, yeah, epoxy on it. It's pretty. I really like it. The next thing is, okay, so this is the Genesis journal. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, I'm just so tickled pink that the theme is exactly what we're doing this month in Momentum. So it's like a perfect complement to our study. So it says in the beginning, and then we have this journal. Huh. So January, and then January, February. So there's like a, so it's like a, is it a year-long journal? Okay, so it's a year-long journal that gives you space. So it gives you a verse, and then it gives you space to write. So it's like, so it has prayer for this month, and then it has blank page. A few blank pages. How many blank pages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you could do one a week for your writing. And then they have March all the way through December. And then everything, it looks like everything is a Genesis verse, which is why it's called a Genesis journal. Very nice, Artza. Very nice quality paper, too. I really like it. And I do really like how they have some of the Hebrew information in here as well that you can learn about. It's just so cool. It's really neat to be able to just not, you know, only focus on the English version of things sometimes, to really dive deep into, you know, Hebrew and Greek, depending on Old or New Testament. Okay, next, this one is called the Creation Serving Tray. Again by Yar Emmanuel. So the same person who made this also made the serving tray. Let's see what they say. Inspired by the story of Genesis, the serving tray features 7 panels, each depicting a day of creation. Oh, I'm glad they said that, because I don't think that I would have thought of it. Oh, yeah, and here we go. Here's Adam and Eve. Here's the serpent. I love this. So, yeah, there's the 7th day of creation serving tray. So that also comes in the box as well. All right, and then we have this one. Must be the hand-cut paper artwork. Okay, let's check it out. So, yeah, so this is what's all included in my Genesis box this month. I love it. Oh, I know what this is. We've had one of these before, and it's really gorgeous. It's like, it's paper. It's exactly what they said it is. It's paper art, but it's really pretty. The last one they gave me was really pretty, and you can hang it up. You can do you know, as you continue to get more and more Artza boxes, you can use these things to really decorate your home and have, you know, or your quiet area. You know, just to sit and have this kind of right there. Oh, so gorgeous. Wow. Wow. Here it is. So it's a tree. It says, my name is Noah Adias. I'm married, a mother of 5 children. I create my art in a small studio. I'm honored to share a piece of the Holy Land with you, my new friends around the world. Before working on any paper cut, I draw inspiration from religious motifs, natures, and blessing in my life. As a religious Jewish woman, my life is shaped by biblical law and blessings. In the paper cut you received, I included a blessing for the land of Israel. And then It talks about after 710, she felt an urge to make a blessing for her country. In this piece of art, you could see the map of Israel surrounded with an olive tree. Wow. One of the 7 species that Israel was blessed with. By putting the tree, I put my prayer of Israel's growth. In between the branches, you can find 3 peace doves. The background was painted in blue and green. The blue for Israel's flag, the green for growth of Israel. So she has just put in, like you can tell, she has put in a lot of effort and heart into this piece. The translation to the paper cut. Our Father in heaven, rock and redeemer of the people of Israel, blessed the state of Israel with its promise of redemption. Shield it with your love. Spread over it the shelter of your peace. Guide its leaders and advisors with your light and your truth. Help them with good counsel. Strengthen the hands of those who defend our holy land and deliver them. Crown their efforts with triumph. Bless the land with peace and its inhabitants with lasting joy. I love this. It's a beautiful piece of art, and this is actually the second one I have now. So just like as you continue to your subscription with Artza, you can continue to collect some of these really beautiful pieces. You could put them in your prayer room, your Bible journaling room. You can put them throughout your house and your kitchen, wherever you want. I place them in little bits and pieces throughout the house just to remind me of how amazing our Lord is. So I hope that this unboxing was as fun for you as it was for me. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite one. And I hope that God blesses you over and above. Have an amazing day. Goodbye.